Sorry about the delay, mate. I got held up on my last job. Yes, sir. How's it going? Right, here's the beauty. Someone just passed their test? Daughter, nice, cool.
Yeah, so I saw the car, forgot to ask about whether there was two keys until she decided she wanted it.
Then you come home and find you got one.
And that's what she's
wicked,
got.
mate. Right, leave it with me, mate. I'll make a key and I'll give you a call. Is that right when I'm done? Yeah?
I might need that one there anyway.
Perfect. Thank you, mate. Cheers, Andy. Lovely jubbly, this one works all good.
Just to make sure that other person's there after not hearing from them.
Yes, sir. Right, this should be all singing and dancing now, mate. Oh. Right. Whee. Wicked, mate. And there's the old one, mate. Thank you. I'll give you a business card as well, just in case.
Much prefer that.
Yeah, now she can lose one and not worry about
what do I owe
being
you?
180, please, mate. Thank you very much. Thank you, mate.
Superb. Thank you very much for that.
Thank you, mate.
Save us the headache.
Yes, sir.
Losing it and then being stuck.
Being start, that's it, mate. Enjoy the rest of your day, mate. Get any problems, give me a call, right?
Thank you very much.
Take care.